This is GCSE Further Pure, and we're in chapter 2. We've just done completing the square, and now we're finding the minimum points by completing the square. So our equation is y equals x squared plus 6x plus 2. So the 6x, we're going to divide the 6 by 2 to get 3. So we will then consider x plus 3 all squared. That's the same as x plus 3 upon x plus 3, which when multiplied out then gives us x squared. Then outer is 3x, inner is 3x plus 6x plus 9. That means I can rewrite our question as y equals x plus 3 all squared. So we know x plus 3 all squared gives us the x squared and the 6x which we want, but it generates a 9 which we don't want, so we go minus 9, then plus 2. That means, keep that bit separate, y equals x plus 3 all squared, take away 7. So it says find the minimum value of this by completing the square on the value of x at this point. So we want to try to find the minimum value. Put in any number you want for x. What's the smallest possible number you can get out? So something funny happens here whenever you're squaring it. If you think about it, say we pick a really small number like minus 100. Once we substitute that in there, we get minus 97. But whenever you square it, it turns positive. So no matter what you do, what number you put in for x, you can't get out a negative number. So the smallest number, or the minimum number this wee bit can take, is going to be 0, which means the minimum value then is going to be minus 7. Because you're squaring it, it doesn't matter if it's positive or negative, it'll end up positive or 0. So let's write that down. Since any value squared is greater than or equal to 0, then x plus 3 all squared must be greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, minimum value of x plus 3 all squared equals 0. So our equation of our curve is y equals x plus 3 all squared, take away 7. Therefore, the minimum value for this, if the minimum value of this bit is 0, the minimum value for the whole thing then must be minus 7. Minimum value for y equals 0 minus 7. So y then equals minus 7. When does this happen? This happens when x plus 3 squared equals 0 and x plus 3 squared equals 0 means x plus 3 equals 0, or x then is minus 3. Therefore, minimum value is minus 7 when x equals minus 3.